Alright, video number 14, I believe. We're going to start putting things on the reverse. We took them off. First up is generator bracket. Goes right here. Next will be the fan bracket. Gotta put on the generator bracket first. Put on the fan bracket loosely because we need to put on the water pump, and they share this bolt right here. So this bolt has to be on. This has to be on loosely so the water pump can slide in there. So that's what it looks like. It connectors, left and right connectors. Spark plug connectors, cleaned up. Left, right, engine size. Cleaned up the front. Well, looks like it's time to get ready to install things. Next video, the front should be somewhat together. We'll see how it turns out, guys. Later.